What's up, guys? So today we ordered a Mufasa costume from Lion the King, and yeah, it's here now. So you know what time it is? Unboxing time! I know I usually don't show these kind of box or wrapper or something, but this time I will. Okay. Okay, maybe not from here, but okay, I'm gonna start. Okay, sorry guys, but yeah. Sometimes I can be too strong, okay, with package. Okay? But anyway, this is how it looks. Oh my god. Yeah. Wait, this kind of look. Wait. Wait. I'm gonna put this on, okay? I'll be back. So this is how it looks. Look. Okay. So this is how it looks. We also got my tail here. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. For bro. Okay. So this is how it looks on me. Rawr. Hi. Wait. Hi, I'm Mufasa. Yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a lovely day and also a fun day and a really good day. Bye, guys. See you later.